Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis number 37 for week ending June 19, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was up 1.3%, closing at 617.69. We had bullish activity today as Tesla broke back above both the 200-day moving average and the yellow trend line, which currently lie at around 610. It also has already broken out of the orange downtrend channel. Bulls will need to wait and see if it can finally hold above the 200-day moving average before getting too excited for a further run higher. In my opinion, if Tesla can hold above the 200-day moving average, the next level of resistance it will run up to comes in at around 652, which is the 50-day moving average. On Tuesday, Tesla was down 3%, closing at 599.36. It ran into key resistance levels of the yellow trend line and the 200-day moving average. Tesla is still struggling for direction as it continues to hug the 200-day moving average. It also found support at the top of the orange channel at its intraday lows at around 598. Tesla continues to trade below the green uptrend channel since May 10, which is concerning. The bottom of the green channel will be a key resistance level to break above, but first it must break above resistance of the 200-day moving average at around 611, then the resistance level of the 50-day moving average at around 650. On Wednesday, Tesla was up 0.9%, closing at 604.87. Once again, it tested resistance of both the yellow trend line and the 200-day moving average at its intraday highs. It also held support at the top of the orange channel at its intraday lows at around 593. It is bullish to note that we also have a rising MACD and a rising RSI, which could mean Tesla is gearing up for a bull run in the near term. But first, it must prove it can break and hold above the 200-day moving average, which currently lies at around 611. On Thursday, Tesla was up 1.9%, closing at 616.60. We had some bullish development as Tesla finally broke through 612 resistance, which is where both the 200-day moving average and the yellow trend line currently lie at. Another good sign is that it held above the orange channel after breaking out of this downtrend on June 10. And yet another bullish indicator is that the MACD is steadily rising and about to cross into positive territory. Not to mention, the RSI is setting up to make a higher high and already put in a higher low. On Friday, Tesla was up 1.1%, closing at 623.31. The yellow trend line, which previously acted as resistance, is now acting as support as Tesla bounced off it at its intraday lows at around 611. It also managed to hold above the 200-day moving average for the second trading day in a row. Another bullish indicator is that it has been able to hold its breakout of the orange downtrend channel for 7 straight trading days. Things are looking more bullish, and if it can overcome a few more hurdles, I'll be convinced that this will be a sustainable long-term rally from here. In my opinion, we could see something similar to what had happened back in March of last year after Tesla touched the 200-day moving average, then proceeded to rally the next 10 months to all-time highs. But first, it will need to break above resistance of the 50-day moving average, which currently lies at around 646. A close above that would confirm a series of higher lows and higher highs, indicating a trend reversal. If it can break above that, we will see it test the critical resistance level at the bottom of the green channel at around 700. As I mentioned in my previous videos, this green uptrend channel goes all the way back to August of last year. If Tesla can break back into this uptrend channel, it would be extremely bullish and in my opinion could set it up for a run back to all-time highs. To the downside, we have support of both the 200-day moving average and the yellow trend line, which currently lies at around 613. If that support fails to hold, we could see it retest the top of the orange channel at around 585. The next support level below that will come in at around 550 to 560. Because if we look at the weekly chart, this is where the 50-day moving average currently falls at. Also, if we look at the monthly chart, this 550 level was a point of support on 3 different occasions and is also where the top of the green channel falls at. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, Tesla will run into resistance at 646. If it breaks above that, we will see it run up to resistance at 700. Bear case, we will find support at 613. If it fails to hold that level, the next support comes in at around 585. Finally, a break below this level and we could see Tesla drop to as low as 550 to 560. Now, on to Tesla news. Tesla Model Y demand skyrockets. Long-range variant nearly sold out for third quarter. The demand for the Tesla Model Y long-range variant is skyrocketing as the company now outlines the soonest possible date to take delivery in September, meaning the vehicle is nearly sold out in third quarter, even though it is still second quarter. After releasing the all-electric crossover last year, Tesla CEO Elon Musk predicted that the Model Y would overtake the Model 3 in terms of popularity. In several markets like China and more locally in California, the Model Y has already established itself as the overachieving little brother because people are tending to buy the all-electric crossover more than the all-electric sedan. As Tesla continues to ramp up its manufacturing efforts for all of its vehicles, the Model Y is the main focus of the automaker as it expands into new regions. In Austin at Giga Texas, the Model Y and the Cybertruck will take center stage when the facility begins manufacturing the vehicles by the end of 2021. This plan is reflected with the Model Y in Europe, where Tesla's first Gigafactory on the continent in Germany will manufacture the Model Y straight out of the gate later this year. However, demand is becoming a bit overwhelming for Tesla as it aims to complete 2 new factories by the end of 2021. The company's cars are becoming so popular in so many regions that delivery dates are becoming more prolonged, meaning the need for additional production facilities is becoming more apparent as the transition to sustainable energy continues to leap forward. It was hinted in early May that Tesla had already sold out of second quarter production volume because of increasing demand. While that is still an amazing accomplishment, Tesla is already starting to sell out for the next quarter with at least one of its cars. The Model Y long range is proving to be Tesla's biggest seller, it appears, as the company is estimating the earliest delivery date will be in September, the final month of third quarter 2021. The demand has led to Tesla increasing the prices of the Model Y by $3,500 so far this year, after cutting the cost of the car significantly in February. Tesla has avoided encountering severe problems due to the global chip shortage. Still, demand and some parts shortages have resulted in Tesla hiking the prices of its 2 mass-market vehicles in 2021. Elon Musk predicted earlier this year that the Model Y would be the best-selling vehicle globally in 2022. When it comes to Model Y, we think Model Y will be the best-selling car or vehicle of any kind in the world, and probably next year, Musk said during the first quarter 2021 earnings call. So I'm not 100% certain next year, but I think it's quite likely. I'd say more likely than not that in 2022, Model Y is the best-selling car or truck of any kind in the world. With the way Tesla sales are growing each quarter, you might be concerned about the charging infrastructure and whether or not there are enough chargers out there on the road. Have no fear, as Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla is undergoing a massive expansion of its Supercharger network. Musk tweeted, "Massive increase in Supercharger network underway." Tesla's innovation has led to development of several groundbreaking products and technology, the latest of which include potential for a Tesla home HVAC system according to this tweet. Elon tweeted, "Oh man, home HVAC that is super energy efficient, quiet, and purifies the air would be great. We developed it for the car, but it can be scaled up for home use." He goes on to say, most people have no idea just how good the Tesla air purification system is, literally 10 times better than any other car. Buy Tesla shares as soon as you get the opportunity, says Rockefeller Capital Management. As Tesla stock dips, the analyst group says, anytime you get the chance to buy it, buy it. Michael Bapis says Tesla is going to continue to be the leader in the industry, especially for the foreseeable future. He goes on to say, if you look at some of these institutional funds and they don't have this stock in there, they're definitely going to get questioned why. Bapis added that since Tesla's stock price is now down, it is a great time to buy the dip. Unless someone comes in and breaks through the difficult barriers to entry, you're going to see this stock grow long term. Bapis thinks now is the time to buy the manufacturer's stock and hold. He recommended briefly closing our eyes to volatility and paying special attention to the company's fundamentals and management. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.